What's up, people? Good morning. The market is about to open. I may try something a little different today. I don't know. We're gonna see. I feel weird because my camera is like so much higher, so I'm having to look up into it. Hey guys. So can I make this smaller? Yes. Okay. So let's talk a little bit about what's going on. First off, I want to look at the daily chart, and I'm just going to pull it over here and make it. We're not going to make it that big because you can't see it. We're going to look over here. I've got a lot of lines on the chart. I did trade on Friday. I didn't post anything. I think I was up like 4.5 points. We'll look at it when we're done here. It's pulled through. There's a lot of strength still to the downside. It's trying to push up, and you can see it's pulled down to the last area that gave a nice decent bounce. This has happened before where it's pulled through, but this is the first time we're pulling away from the EMAs and we're really pushing down. So I don't do market predictions at all because I like to trade in the moment. But what I'm seeing right now is we're having the possibility for the long, which has already happened back here. And the market doesn't open for 5 more minutes, and we can see this was it back here, the possibility for the long. We do have an area of resistance. We've got a couple of them. Number one would be, and let me just draw a line here so we can see it. Number one would be right here, where we pulled up and stopped a few times. And you can see actually we're getting lower pivots every time we have pulled up towards this area. So, you know, is this the one that's going to push us up? Hey, it may be. We're getting the blue dot here. We're getting back above here. But I don't make market predictions because I can't tell us what's going to happen, you know, and there are other people that work that way and trade that way, and more power to them. If I'm looking at my 1597, it's slowing and rolling, but we had that happen right here before. What I would absolutely adore is for it to pull back right into this area just a little bit deeper, and then get us right down to the zero line, which would pull us right back into this area. We're below the zero line here, so that's a possibility before it pushes up. I need to move this out of the way so I can look right. Oh no, I don't need to look at those MACDs. I need to look at these MACDs. I forget, guys, these second set of MACDs, I'm just tentatively using them. I'm just using them just a little bit right now, really just trying to see their value. And I do see a lot of value in them, but I see a lot of value in both of the MACDs. So it's going to be a little bit of work figuring out. And I know I've said it before because I want to make a, I want to put them together somehow. And I don't know how just yet. I'd love to find a way to kind of overlay these with each other. All right. Let's just look at the trades from yesterday, or Friday. Okay, actually, let's do it on the 233. Here we go. Took the long a little too early, got stopped out, got right back in, took the first exit here, took the second exit as a break even. I believe I had even stepped away at that point. Took the short here, first exit out. I think those were both 2 points, and I think that was it. Yeah, that was all I did that day. 3 trades. So yeah, market opens in 1 minute. I'm going to be prepared for the long just to see what's happening here. All right, it's pulling back towards the area. Good chance. Oh, there we go. Let's hope this doesn't pull back, but it might. Yeah, there it goes. Still believe this is going up. I think I just got in a little too early. So I'm gonna be prepared back down here. This is looking weird to me today for some reason. There we go. That's my MO. Getting a little bit early on that first one. It's just what I do sometimes. All right, let's let it pull up here and see what's happening. Liking this, still working. Pull that up to a break even. Looking at this resistance area. I don't know why this, maybe I just need to spread it out a little bit more. Maybe that's what the problem is. Okay, we're pulling up to that next resistance area. I'm going to go 2 ticks behind this last little pivot right here. Go ahead. Yeah, we'll just let it pull back. Alright. Pull back to that support area. But it's got a pretty decent, yeah, I could have taken it out definitely right here. As you know about me, I'm working on holding these for the longer pivot. So could I have had my risk back behind this area? Yes, but we didn't get the strong push through here. It didn't break through this top Bollinger Band here. You're giving us some divergence here. We're at that resistance area. No harm in taking the exit. It's pulling back into this area of support with some pretty decent pushback against that support area, saying that it may not hold. The first support area right in here didn't hold. The next support area right in here, very weak. 10,946, we're starting to get the little bit of a cross to the upside, but pivots are leading lower everywhere. Pull back and keep pushing down. Let me just take one more here. You know what? The wedge is still in effect here. This is a nice spot for the bounce back up. All right, y'all. Well, I gotta save my house from being blown away during this cold front we're getting to come in. It's gonna drop down to the 60s. What? So everybody's gonna have their parkas and flip-flops kicking here in Texas. Hope everybody has a fabulous day. 45 minutes, 3.5 points. We're done. I got a lot of stuff to take care of. I love doing this. I love being able to see people grow and to help people get to that next level. And yeah, it's wonderful. It's wonderful. It looks like it's still trying to push down a little bit here, but we're still into the bottom of that wedge. But that's going to wrap it up for today for me. I'm gonna take out a few places where there were some hiccups, literal hiccups in the video, and we will call it a Monday. So everybody have a great day. Catch you on the profitable side.